going on? It's Tsai here. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can repackage your PLR so that you can create a new product from those content, right? So when you buy a PLR, there are actually two ways you can do to use them. The first one is you can use them directly. You can use their sales copy, you can use their email swipe file, you can use their sales page. The problem is most of the time the conversion rate isn't ideal because many people are already selling the same thing. So what you want to do is you really want to repackage them. You want to create your own sales copy. You want to create your own pages, your own opt-in form, your own members area. So in this training, I'm going to show you how you can create your own sales page, your own members area, your own opt-in form with this amazing software called ClickFunnels, right? So you can go to getcffreetrial.com to sign up for a free trial. So this one is one of the most powerful website builder on the internet, right? So, or you can check a link below to sign up for that. So right now you sign up for the ClickFunnels. And as you can see, here is your dashboard. We are going to build the first page together, and that is called opt-in page, right? So because the easiest way for you to make money from PLR is actually you give away the content to build your email subscriber base, right? So the opt-in page is the page we are going to build together to collect their email address. So when they sign up for our report or free training, they will become our email subscribers so that we can follow with them with promotional content and also educational content as well, right? So the very first step you want to do is you want to click on build a new funnel. Right, then the next step is you want to choose collect emails, right? So we are going to use this funnel to collect email address, right? And then you want to give it a name, right? So you can be a random name, things like that. So it's demo for me this time, right? Then you can just choose a template from them, right? So for example, you can preview the template, maybe this one, right? Then you can select this one. So for opt-in page, you want to make it as simple as possible. So if there are too many elements on the same page, the conversion rate won't be great. So the most important part of your opt-in page is actually your copy, right? So it's your copy. You want to make it appealing to your audience. So you don't want to say, hey, I will teach you how to lose weight. No, it's boring because everyone is talking about that. So you want to come up with something unique in your copy. So maybe you can say discover the underground secret. Yeah, so things like that. You want to make it appealing. You want to trigger their curiosity when they visit your page, right? So you can just edit the page, or sometimes you can add new element. I don't recommend you to add more new element here because it will just distract your audience, right? Then the thing you want to do is you want to integrate with your autoresponder, or you can use ClickFunnels like default autoresponder is Actionetics, right? So that is how you can use ClickFunnels. If you want to learn more detail how to set up everything, I actually have some bonus training in the same members area, so you can go there to check them, right? So after we save the page, the next step we want to do is we want to design the thank you page, right? So that's where people go to download our PLR or our free training. Right. So right now you can just go to thank you page. Then you can go to opt-in and you can choose thank you. Then you can find the template from there. Right. So there are many templates you can choose from. Now right now they are still loading. So maybe we choose this one. Okay. So right now we go to edit page. Right. So as you can see, this is a page, so it's still easy. And you can also move to image, right? You can change the image here. So for example, this is just a demo, right? So, and then you can go to link, then you can set action, then you can choose a website URL. So if you upload the free report to Google Drive, then you can use your Google Driver like URL here. Or if you upload to Dropbox, then you can just use the URL here. So so it's really easy, right? So you want them to download, then you want to provide them some value in your follow-up, and that's how you can build a list, because your email list is your ultimate asset on internet. That's the reason why the easiest way for you to make money from PLR is not selling them, but give them away, right? So the next page we want to build together is what we call sales page, right? But in order for you to build a sales page, you need, the script. You need a copy. So there are two softwares you can use to write your sales copy. The first one is FunnelScript, right? So you can go to nicksai.com/FunnelScript to sign up for this one. So this one is more expensive, and this one is automatic script. So you can go to nicksai.com/automatic script to sign up for this one as well, right? So you can compare the two. They're basically doing the same thing. They can help you write your sales copy, right? So after you go to those software and you write your sales copy, then you can go to ClickFunnels to create your sales page, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on build a new funnel, right? Then this time we want to choose sell your product. Then you want to choose sales funnel, right? Then still give it the name. Then you click on build funnel. Right, so right now you can actually build your opt-in page or a squeeze page here. Or right now we just go to the sales page, right? So it's the same. We go to choose our templates, right? So there are many templates down there you can choose from, right? Maybe this one, right? So then you can stack templates. Then you can go to edit page. So it's really intuitive. All you need to do is to go to each of the elements, right? So and they also give you the layout, so it's really easy to follow, right? Right, so you have the template, then you can just add them. You can add a new image as well. So you can add a new element here. Then you can say, hey, I want a new image here, things like that, right? So if you want to generate this kind of like cover photo or mockups, you can go to fiverr.com as well. So that's a website for you to hire a freelancer to create this for you. Or if you are basically designer, then you can try to create that your own as well, right? So so after you finish your design, you just save it, then you can click exit, right? So we move back to the previous step. Then we go to order form. Then we can choose the order form templates we want, right? So there are many of them as well. So maybe we choose this one. Then the same, you can go to edit them. So as you can see, ClickFunnels is really intuitive. It's really easy to use. So all you need to do is spend some time with that. Then you can understand how to use that. But I know some of you then may say that, hey, Nick, I'm not techie. I don't really know how to use that. So you can check a link below. I will give you my 2 hours of ClickFunnels training for free. So you can go there to learn all the detail, all the steps here. So I hope you can enjoy that bonus as well, right? So I won't cover too much detail here because I don't want to overwhelm you with information, right? So after everything is set, you just click on exit, right? Then the next step we want to do together is we want to basically add a new product, right? So we go to product, then we want to click on add a product, right? So then you can choose which integration you want to work with, right? So if you haven't integrated with like PayPal or Stripe yet, you have to add payment integration here. Or you can just choose whatever you want to integrate, then you want to choose what's the payment plan, right? So we choose one time here. Then you can give your product a name. And also you can set out the pricing, right? Then you can go to next step. So you can decide if you want to create a variation for that product. Then you can click on the next step. Then if you want to send any fulfillment email, then you just enable that, right? Then you can click on next. Then they will ask if you want to integrate with your autoresponder, right? So if you are using like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse, things like that, then you can integrate with them as well. Then you can click on Save and Next. Then if it's a physical product or not, but because if it's a PLR, it's not a physical product, right? So we don't enable that. Then we can save and close. So that's pretty much how you can set up your sales page and order form using ClickFunnels. So the last thing we want to build together is our members area. So as you can see, if you just give them a download link, the perceived value will be low. But if you can put your content in the members area, especially if it's professional designed, you can increase your authority and also the perceived value, right? So you're giving them a favor by putting together all your content in a members area. And luckily, we can build that in ClickFunnels as well. So the first step you want to do is you want to click on Build a New Funnel, right? Then you want to choose Sell Your Product. Then you want to choose a membership, right? So this time we want to build a members area. Then you want to click on Build Funnel. Right, so right now you can choose your login page, right? So you can select template here. Right, then you can go to edit them. So basically this page requires no editing. All you need to change is the logo, right? So you go to the image, then you can change the logo to the one you want, right? So for example, this one, right? And also you can change the color to white, things like that. Then you can save it. So this one is really easy, right? Then you can go to the previous page. Then you can go to members area, right? So so then still the same. You choose a template from that. Then you can go to open an editor. Then you can choose the logo, right? And you can change the color as well, right? And you can also change the color of the font. Yeah, then you can save. Then you can also put some banner ad here, or you can remove it as well. Right, but the next thing we want to do is we want to add new content to our members area, right? So there are two ways you can do. The first one is you can add new lesson section, right? So for example, this is lesson 1. Then you can create lesson section. Then also you can add a new lesson. You want to choose which lesson section this lesson is belonging to, right? Then you can give it a name, right? Then you can choose a template. Maybe this is a video lesson. Then you can create a lesson. Then you can open editors. Then you can basically change this video. If you upload them to YouTube, then you put your YouTube URL here, right? Then you can save. Then if you want to give away this free training to your subscriber, all you need to do is use this secret sign-up URL, right? So you send this URL to them, then they will be able to create their account. So after they sign up, they'll be able to see a members area like this. So as you can see, it's professional design. It's really beautiful and professional. So you can use that to increase the perceived value of the content you are giving away. So that is for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.